Okay guys, what you need to do here is to mount your camera on a tripod. You use landscape mode, then you walk into the scene. The next thing you are going to do here is just to swap your hands. Okay, by the time you swap your hand, you stay there for some few seconds, and after that you can now walk out. Okay,
save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay guys, as at when I'm recording this video, rain is falling, but I pray the rain doesn't disturb. Okay, so at this point you are going to click on CapCut there. Then you click on new video. Okay, you click on your video and import it to workspace. Click on your video, you click on volume. Okay, you reduce this volume to 0. Okay, then you mark on this good here and go back. We look for where we want the video to start from. From this place we make a split and delete this first part. Okay, then you locate where you want the video to end. Okay, before you immediately walk out, you click and make a split and delete this last part. All right, then you come back. Now you are going to click this video to expound it for a clearer view. After expanding it and positioning it, okay, you locate this place where you swap your hand. Immediately you swap your hand, you make another split. Okay, make another split here. As you split this very place where you swap your hand, then you go to the last part. Before you walk out, guys, you are going to be making another split somewhere this place. Make another split here now. Okay, as you click and make another split, you come back, click on this one, locate duplicate. We are going to be duplicating this. Okay, duplicate this part, you look for overlay to overlay it, then you click it and bring it to align with this one. After aligning it, you click it and go and look for remove BG. Okay, click on remove BG there, auto removal, then you allow it to remove completely. As you can see, it's applying. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, and make sure you watch this video to the end as not to be missing out on anything. Now he has removed completely. You mark on that good and go back. So at this point you can see the tree is still showing on the part you remove background. So you are going to click it to go and still look for that remove background. Let me show you how to remove that tree in your back. Then look for that remove, click on that remove bit, you click on custom removal. As you click on custom removal, now you adjust your number, you click on eraser, then you come and use that eraser to wipe out that tree. That is what I am doing. You can take time, calm down and do your own, so that you will not eat up the character. Just make sure it's only the tree in the back, at the back of the character, that you are marking. After marking that tree, you are going to be clicking on this good here to see what we have got. Okay, mark on that good, look at what we have got. The tree has gone out. Okay, so you are going to drag the character now and come and place the character in the original place, which is yourself. Make the character and yourself to align. Okay, after that we are going to be duplicating this video to the number we want. Click it and look for duplicate. You duplicate it to the number of characters you want, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, depending on the number you want. Then you duplicate it. That is what I am doing. After duplicating, click each of them and bring it under this one. We now have 3 layers here. Go and click the other one. After this 3 layer, click the other one, the 4th layer, and still bring it under this place. Now we have 4 layers. Okay, so what we are going to be doing is to do the necessary adjustments. Immediately you swap your hand. Okay, so click on this one and take it to immediately you swap your hand, which is take it to immediately you swap your hand. After you take it there, you still click on these ones and bring it front to make sure they align. Bring each of them to the front, which is this one. You remove BG, bring all of them, these 3, you bring them to align. After that, this is what we have got. So we are going to be applying keyframe now. now to these parts where you remove background. Okay, so you apply keyframe to each of them. Put keyframe, put keyframe, put keyframe. Then you adjust the video a little bit. As you adjust the video a little bit, you are now going to be dragging them out. Look at what I am doing. Drag them out. Okay, drag each of the character out. Then you click on the first one. You can decide to drag it out and take it to the back. How do you do that? When you drag it out, now you crumple it. As you are crumpling it, is going back. After positioning them, we are going to play it to see what we have got. Okay, let's play and see what. Good. Immediately you swap your hand, you see you're purple, then you come out in multiple. All right, let me show you what we are going to be doing here now. Before the video finishes, confront just this part. You are going to be putting keyframe here as well. Add keyframes here as well, like you did the other side. Add keyframes here. So add them, you adjust the video to the ending of this part, then you still bring the characters back to yourself. Bring the characters back to their original place. Okay, that is what we are doing here. You click each layer, you bring the character to the original place, click that first one, still bring it back, then you still expound it again to fit the screen like it was before. Then after that, we are going to play this video from the beginning, as I am sure or convinced that this video is ready. Look at what we have got. This is fantastic. Okay, then at this point, go out. So at this point, the next thing we are going to be doing is to play this video from the beginning. This video is ready. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. But as far as I'm concerned, the video is ready. Fantastic. This is good. So the next thing now is to click on export there. Then we export our video to our gallery. This video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Like, comment, and share this video, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Okay, thank you for watching.